Tim moving some big beams. They're too long. We're gonna have to pick them up and take them to a wood guy to cut down, and they're too heavy to load on the truck. So one of the attachments we bought was forklifts for the tractor, and so it's coming in handy. You can see Tim's got pretty good at learning how to operate the forklift. Gorgeous morning. We had a lot of smoke here yesterday, and it's been cleared out. We had some sprinkles, so it's nice to see the fresh air. Let's go see what's happening over here.